Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use Invideo for beginners 2023. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now I'm going to give you a quick tour of our dashboard over here in Invideo. Currently, I am logged in, so if you haven't created an account, creating one is very simple. Just click the sign up button and you will be able to create your account and log in. Now, currently we are in our dashboard. Let's give you a quick tour. When creating a video in Invideo, you have the option to choose from different templates. There are over 5,000 customizable templates, video templates, wherein you could just replace the clips inside the video for you to use. And using the templates, of course, it will save you a lot of time and you wouldn't need to start editing anywhere. And you also have your AI text to video over here. You can create videos basically describing what you want on a prompt. For example, you would like a dog running on a beach, playing with cats, or something like that. And the AI or an AI will turn your prompt, your text prompt, into a video. And you are able to choose from stock media, where you will be able to freely use some photos or images through this feature over here. And then you have your Pro editor over here, your editor, where you will be able to create your own videos. So when creating your video, you could choose from any of this option. Now, Invideo has some plans as well. And right now, we are currently using the free version, but these are the different subscription plan of Invideo. If you get the business, which is $30 per month, you will be able to remove watermarks on your videos. You have 60 HD video exports per month. You will be able to use 10 iStock media. You could use 1 million plus premium media. You could remove background as well. And there's also a mobile app pro over here. But for the unlimited version, which is $60 per month, you will have unlimited HD video experts, 120 iStock media, 1 million plus premium media, and 40 background or remove background per month. Now, if you want to get some of these deals, you will be able to use and unlock a lot of features. But anyway, let's actually show you how you will be able to create a video. Over here on the left side, by the way, you have your dashboard. Then you can check out your projects over here, all the different things that you have worked with. You have your projects, drafts, and exports. Very easily navigatable so that you can find out where your videos are. You also have your trash over here if you ever delete one. And you could have team members as well. So let's go check out the templates over here. Under templates, you will be able to see, of course, a lot of templates. There is some filters over here on the left side. You have your aspect ratios, your type. This will help you find specific template that you are looking for. Being specific would allow you to identify the best template for your output. And as you can see, there is some Instagram templates over here. We're not going to watch them, or actually it's going to give us preview. For example, this one, it's really good. We have this real estate market as well. And depending on the output or the type of video that you want to create, you could choose from any of these options that you are seeing right now. And they're all really good templates, as you can see here on our preview. Some are minimalistic, some are very artistic, as you can see, for example, this one. And there's a lot of options for you to choose from. And selecting one that way, we could select this, click on use template. We will be redirected to the editing page. And in this page, this is where you will be able to change up the different clips of the video, of course, and use the template as it is. Now, since we're here, I'm going to give you a quick tour of our page right now. Over here on the left side, this is where you will be able to upload your own media. Then you have your videos. It will appear over here. You could add your own videos in this area or use some stock videos over here. Now, some of them are free, but some of them requires you to have a premium account or an upgraded account. For example, the iStock that is only available for a premium account. You could also view images, stock images over here. Check out some music. You could add some text if you want some typography or like some heading, any of that style. You could also put in your own logo by simply uploading the logo in this area. Then you have your elements. that you could have. Then you have your templates, and over here you could add or check out the different other options that you can have. For example, you have this one over here. Then you have like a collage and 3, or you could choose from any of this template if you want. But as you can see, this is the template over here. What you can do is simply remove this actual video, and you will be able to keep the style or like the let's find the audio over here, see if we can mute it. This is our video, this is our audio over here. Let's turn the audio off for now so that we can hear ourselves. If you change the video over here at the top, you will be able to change the template, of course. And if you want to add some elements or some elements over here on the right side, right now these are the current elements added, as you can see, such as this elements over here on the screen. You would think that these elements are like on this area on the layers, but it's going to be available over here on the right side, as you can see. There we go. Then you can simply select them and modify them. You can also see the duration over here below if you want. Then you could add some scenes, all of those stuff. Then after that, you can even change the position of the different elements, as you can see here. And then after editing, after creating your video, you can simply click on share, which will allow you to share your videos. You can see by a link, or you could upgrade and export it. You're going to have to upgrade your video to export your video, unfortunately. But that is how you will be able to use Invideo as a beginner. It's very easy to navigate. It's not difficult for a beginner to identify which parts are which and how to utilize them. Now, aside from that, let's go check out the AI text to video as well. So let's select this AI text to video. Now, there will be some templates as well that you could play with. For example, this one. And this one as well. So let's go check out a template. Use template. Let's see where we will be able to find the AI that would allow us to change the output. But there we go. As you can see, simply put in a script or an AI. Let's ask AI to produce a script for us as well. Dogs running to move at least. Then click on generate. And simply give it a few seconds or minutes, it depends. And let's wait for it, and there we go. And you can click on create scene, and the AI will create it for you. Now you have your script over here that is generated for you as well. And this will be used by voiceover as well, and there will be a voiceover on the video that you will be creating. So let's wait for our output over here on the right side. It's generating as our scenes. We have auto suggest enabled over here. If you want, you could use iStock or premium image and videos as well, but that's your preference. But right now, since we have our free account, we're going to stick with the free version. And as you can see, it's going to open the project. So let's wait for a few seconds, and there we go. We now have our output over here. Let's actually play it from the beginning. Never mind, I misspoke. It's not going to have a voiceover unless you enable it over here, as you can see. But it will have some caption on your outputs over here. You can see there will be some different clips for each layer. It's a bit laggy. There we go. Then you can simply edit or change the images that is being used, since it's not really corresponding with the output that we want to have. We said dogs on the beach, but right now, the script is correct, but the images being used are not correct. So you can simply drag and drop your own media over here as well on this spot over here, and it will replace the original photo that is being used, as you can see. You can also add some animations if you want, or remove the backgrounds through these features over here. And right now, this is something called storyboard, where you can see the scenes over here on the left side. Now, that's very easy to navigate, and that's basically it. Those are the different things that you will be able to do with Invideo. You are free to explore the stock media, and the editor is basically the editor that we have been seeing since earlier. I guess it's just going to be an empty canvas or an empty project if you start with the editor over here. Or you could click on create new over here on the top right, and you will be able to see your recent projects over here, as you can see. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.